Built in 1906, proudly owned by Hal Herlin of Herlin Construction Company on Bainbridge Island. The boat was built in 1906 in Everett, Washington. In 1910, it was sold to the Pillar Bay Packing Company.
That sounds like a chainsaw going by. What the heck? The Skillful. Now that one there, you wouldn't want to be out in the ocean in that guy.
Okay, Skillful, built in 1955 by Penn Plywood Company in Port Angeles. Spike Marine. Nice looking tug.
Do you have a year that one was built? That one?
1929.
Truth-telling lies, love says goodbye. Dreams won't dream on their own.
That back door you see, the kind of a little garage door slides up and down, goes into kind of a little clinic area where they can treat injured or seriously damaged people that they might be pulling out of the water. Also a couple of
Very fast. They're not built to go fast. Hydroplanes are built to go fast. Tugs are built to have a lot of power and be able to pull things. And they do, I'll tell you.
Yeah, she's a classic tug, twin stacks, twin engine, twin screw, and got a raised after deck for the toe pins, big double drum winch. Yep, she's definitely a working boat.
And an ocean-going boat too. Has this tug served going back and forth to Alaska, you know, or coastwise? Certainly would be.
I think it's probably on the Alaska run.
Yeah.
Boat company originally built for the U.S. Army, and she's been named reliable for at least 20 years, and she's proudly owned by Cliff Center from Center Maritime Services in Kingston, Washington. The Maritime Academy is located just on the north side of the Ballard Bridge, and an excellent place to go if you'd like to pursue a career in the maritime industry.
The Maritime Instructor, which is the starting line boat, you'll see Mike Wilcox up in the wheelhouse. Mike is our chair of the race on the water and does a terrific job of keeping everything safe and sane.
Breathe in, I will wait.
Norm said it's a spill response vessel. It's a vessel that we just like to see here during the Maritime Festival. The rest of the year, those of us in the industry like to see it tied up at the dock because you don't want the oil to get in the water. But this vessel is equipped, it's a skimmer. It can skim the water, skim the oil off the water, return the clean water back to the sound. To make sure that us judges aren't tempted by an offer of a free hot dog or a free pizza, the finish line is about 150 feet to the south of us where the checkered flag is, so truly impartial people will make the call.
These two tugs out to the south a little bit are having a push-off. They do that, they get bow to bow, and then they crank up the engine, see who's got the most power. It looks like they're burning old rags down in the engine room.
Your soul has left me here to die, and my heart is running out of time. I'm still here.
Patricia S. was built in 1962. First name was Marie M., but renamed. She's owned by Island Tug and Barge, a local company. Their distinctive color is the what I call aquamarine, blue-green there. 92 feet, 2,400 horsepower.